Peace and blessings, all is a blessing. Look, y'all, the chillun where I be, at the home of the one and only divine prince, the voodoo chief, divine prince, Black Hawk voodoo chief, two spirits conjurer, right here in New Orleans. Where else you gonna be, baby? Look at the block right here. Look at this here. We done second line all through here before. And let's see. I want to go head on to the door that's open. Let's see. That one ain't the one? All right, we're going to come back right here. I know he see us on the camera. So let's ring the bell. See what's going on in here. Ouch. During the hurricane, he's right here is what he could broadcast and let me know how everybody was down here and what I call my city, since I got a Queen Quet Day right here in New Orleans, or some might say New Orleans, and so forth. And so it's a blessing to be here once again. The door is a gate, but I'm about to push people door and just roll.
No. Jingling bells again.
Oh, baby, I went round here to the Treme Center. Anna and Fannie Lou Hammer and Malcolm X and everybody. And then I heard the tambourine. Now, look here. We out here.
I said, my Indian rain, Indian rain.
I say, I wanna be.
I'm much better now.
And it all is a
Yes.
blessing. All is a blessing.
I feel totally blessed now.
Look, yeah.
Yeah.
Look right y'all until and look at this, yeah. Look at this here. Y'all see the pictures, but look, I be look here, y'all. I be doing like this. I beside myself. Y'all see? That's the true thing right there. Look at this, yeah. Yes.
Indian rain, Indian rain. Yes.
The one and only.
Peace, my brother.
Prince.
Took me a
Royalty.
year and a half to beat this.
I know it. I'm surprised it didn't take longer than that.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you made this in what year? 20?
This is 5 years old.
Okay, 5 years old now.
Good
Because I'm about to
condition for
say
5 years.
2015. Oh yeah, because you done suited up a couple times.
Several times.
And it's been in
Yes.
exhibits.
It's in the Bradley Museum in Paris right now.
Oh,
really?
nice.
As a picture.
As a photo.
And then my red and black suit is actually there.
There,
the
got
floor.
it. Because I knew you. And we were just in Paris.
Yes, indeed.
We were in Paris on our way back
You
from
look
Kemet.
good.
Thank you. You do too. Even
Yeah.
though you wearing me all up in the street.
And I'm glad you filmed it.
We out here.
I said, my